Alright, time for our first project, Maven Music. Here's the situation. You are the data visualization specialist at Maven Music and just received a project request from the magazine's chief editor. So it looks like we've got this email right here from Betty Bass, who needs a visual for a new article. And it reads, "Good morning. We've got an article coming out in next month's edition on how the launch of the iTunes Music Store in 2003 impacted the evolution of the music industry. Can you use the data attached from the RIAA to visualize how the composition of the music market has changed over the last 40 years for physical and digital formats?" Alright, so it sounds like we've got the following key objectives. Number 1, to select an effective chart type. Number 2, to create the chart in Excel. Number 3, to use formatting to eliminate noise. And number 4, to add context to help tell the story. Now, before we get started, let's just take a quick look at the data that Betty sent us. So it looks like we're looking at US music revenues by format from 1973 to 2019 with a total of 47 records. We've got one dimension, the year, and one measure, the revenue, but it's split up into physical and digital formats. So, to build the visual for this project in Excel, we'll be using the following concepts: inserting charts, modifying chart elements, customizing axis labels, inserting shapes, and saving charts as a picture. So let's get to it.